Okay, tree guy is climbing out of his bucket onto the tree. He's probably about 80 feet up in the air. I'll zoom out, give you a better picture. Sorry if this is a little shaky. I don't know what he's planning on doing here. I think he was at his highest reach in the bucket, but he had to go a little higher. Now another tree guy told me that these trees are very, very dangerous to climb. So I do hope he comes through this okay. He's probably going to tie off this treetop so he can cut it off. I'm going to resume this video when we get some action. Okay, back in action here. Tree guy's way up there. He climbed up that tree a ways from his bucket and to set the rope, and he's going to be cutting off the top of this tree. Problem is the tree is leaning so far towards the driveway and things that we don't want to damage that he's got to do a lot of extra work to bring it down safely without hurting anything. Okay, here we go. Oh, so his partner was just pulling on it so it fell into the yard instead of onto the driveway. Good job.